In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add two roles under the same company on your LinkedIn profile. Whether you've recently changed positions at your workplace or you simply want to keep your profile clean and organized, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your LinkedIn profile and scroll down to the Experience section. Once you're there, click on the plus icon and select Add Position. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, look for the Notify Network toggle. Over here, you can choose whether you want your connections to be notified about this new position. If you want privacy, simply turn it off, but if you want people to see your update, keep it on. Now click on the title field and enter your first role, for example, apprentice. Then move down to the company or organization box. Over here, start typing your company name. If it appears in the drop-down list, select it from there. If it doesn't show up, just type the full name manually. If LinkedIn asks, "Did you mean this company?" click on No to keep your custom entry. After that, uncheck the box that says, "I am currently working in this role," since this is your older position. Then enter your start date and end date, and add your location and a short description if you want. When everything looks good, press Save. Once your first role is added, scroll back to the Experience section and click the plus icon again. Select Add Position just like before. Over here, type your new title, for example, Marketing Specialist. Leave the employment type as it is and now pay close attention to the company field. You must type the company name exactly the same way you did in the first entry. Even a small difference will prevent the roles from stacking, so double-check the spelling carefully. If your company appears in the drop-down, you can select it. If not, type it manually again and click No when LinkedIn offers suggestions. This time, make sure "I am currently working in this role" is checked. Then enter your start date, add the location, add your description if needed, and press Save. Once you've completed these steps, go back to the Experience section. You should now see your company name grouped once and both of your roles neatly stacked underneath it. After that, you should be able to switch between your entries, edit them, or add more roles in the future without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to double-check your dates and make sure the end of your first role lines up correctly with the beginning of your second one. Doing this ensures LinkedIn groups your roles perfectly and keeps your profile looking clean and professional. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add two roles under the same company on LinkedIn easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?